Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Tanjavur location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities like processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with minimum DBU, hold system or branch hold, and regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay, and regular interaction and liaison with the various HO departments, and publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files, and regular training to sales and discussions on process or policy and to reduce branch hold. Coming to the required qualifications and experience required, like the candidates should have experience in operations, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining a desired level of quality with minimum DBU hold, system hold or branch hold, and regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments, and publishing a regular MIS to sales regarding the holds and processing of files, and regular training to sales and discussion on process or policy and to reduce branch hold. These are the required qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Bharat Business Solutions India Private Limited. They are looking for AR quality analyst, revenue cycle management. Coming to the job roles and key responsibilities, like the candidates should ensure that the deliverable to the client adherence to the quality standards, understand the client requirements and specifications of the project, maintaining and sharing team reports daily, weekly, and monthly with the operations team, and motivating the team to achieve high standards in terms of productivity and accuracy, and need to share the practice SOP with the associates and make them understand well about the practice specialty knowledge transfer, and conducting internal assessments on every week based upon the previous week's updates and quality inputs shared in meetings, and need to identify the bottom level performer and initiate the trainings and assessment plan, and arranging the weekly team meetings and sharing and focusing on quality targets and achievements. These are the roles and responsibilities, and interested candidates for more information details and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Chief Proctor or IT Supervisor in Think Apps Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring immediate joinees, and experience will be at least 4 months mandate in hardware networking. And coming to the desired skills and experience, those are mentioned here. You can please check once. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for Business Development Associate in Recruitrix. And coming to the job requirements, like good interpersonal communication skills, face-to-face and telephonic conversations, sales drive and resilience, experience in consultative selling, and the candidates should be target driven and achievement oriented, and has a maturity and the gravitas to counsel a parent for their child's future, and the age should be 26 years and not more than 26 years. And coming to the qualifications required, like the candidates should be a graduate or postgraduate in MBA preferred 2020 or earlier passed out, and pursuing candidates also can apply, and 10th grade criteria is greater than 50%, and working gap should not be more than 6 months after any job, and not more than 24 months of work experience after masters, and experience should be 1 to 3 years of experience as fit on street in sales for banking finance. Coming to the mandatory skills required, like fluent in English, Hindi, and it is a regional language, and good communication skills are required. And the CTC offered will be, currently it is working from home, like the CTC will be 5 lakhs fixed plus 2 lakhs direct sales allowances, and in case of field visit and as per company norms plus 3 lakhs targeted based incentives, and working days will be Wednesday to Sunday and 2 days week off. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check once in the description box once for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for US IT recruiter in Site Spectrum LLC. And coming to the experience required, like 6 months to 3 years of relevant experience in US IT recruitment process is required, and it is a work from office position, and the salary benefits will be best in the industry for right talents, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by sharing your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Naval Softwares. They are looking for Angular or React developers. Coming to the job description, like the candidates should have minimum 1 to 3 years of experience in developing web applications using Angular 7 and proficiency with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, and TypeScript and responsive UI frameworks such as React.js, AngularJS, App.js, and Bootstrap, and similar frameworks are required. And the candidates should have strong knowledge on Angular web or mobile applications, UI design skills, and good understanding of REST API or Web API consumption and integration using service-oriented architecture, and should be able to develop or maintain applications with MVC architecture and good programming skills, and should be having excellent knowledge in manipulating complex JSON and must be very good in OOPS. And the candidates should be strong debugging and problem solving skills and strong proficiency in JavaScript including TYM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and knowledge of modern authorization mechanisms such as JSON Web Token. This is the job description. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates should have knowledge in creating custom modules and components which extend the elements and modules of core Angular, and thorough understanding of React.js and its core principles, and work location will be Tanjavur, and work from home available for outstation candidates. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for PHP developer in Zuan Technologies. Coming to the job responsibilities, like front-end development, service-side script, commit with timely deployment, and code follow-ups with team. Coming to the requirements, like the candidates should have qualifications of BE, BSc in computer science, and bachelor's degrees preferred. Coming to the work experience, like freshers also can apply, and 1 year experienced candidates also can apply. And coming to the desired skills and experience, like the candidates should have experience in Adobe Experience Manager, blockchain, game, and development, Android, C++, and HTML skills are required. Coming to the experience, like expertise in PHP and basic knowledge in HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, and other popular coding languages. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for Assistant Manager Credit Operations. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, those like understanding of the financial loan products and credit policies for unsecured loans, and deliver disbursement quality, clear holes at TCS as per agreed SLA, and the candidates should have knowledge of loan documentation pre-sanction and post-sanction, and would be responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis, and ability to learn and apply learning quickly, and they are responsible for disbursement, TM preparation and QDP processing. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should have knowledge of loan operations and should be a graduate with 1 to 2 years of experience in operations. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager PLCS role. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, the candidates have to track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc., and liaise with the sales team and IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks, and build various process or policy checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams, and to liaise with IT team, operations and other team to ensure early resolution of sales query. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates should be a graduate or a postgraduate with relevant experience of 1 to 2 years work experience in the financial services industry would be an added advantage for this job role, along with excellent communication skills and exceptionally high motivation levels, and need to be a self-starter. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.